What's going on YouTube? It's Martin Mechanic back with another video. Today it's not going to be a long video. It's just going to be a short video on how to change the front headlight on this 2011 Buick Enclave. Alright, so first you want to pop out these T20 screws that's around the wheel well, and then there is a 7mm nut at the bottom. And don't forget to turn your wheel towards the right, that you will have enough room to pop the shield open. Once you move the shield back, you should see the cap to the light bulb. Once the cap is removed, you will see there is the light bulb. If you look closely, there's a black tab on each side. You turn that to the left to unlock and turn to the right to lock. Once you release the light bulb, you can carefully remove it out of the socket, and be careful when releasing the power supply. And here's what the actual bulb looks like. Once you have taken out the old, you replace it with the new and do everything in reverse. Alright guys, hopefully this video was helpful. Make sure y'all stay locked in, like, comment, and subscribe. For more videos is coming soon. Y'all be safe.